Some of you have the best routine in the world when it comes to hair growth or hair care or whatever, but the issue is the tools you use while dealing with your hair. Some of you have the right hair products, right hair combs, right hair brushes, and all of that, but the manner at which you use it will either make or mar your hair. Wait, let me cook. So first off, we keep saying that we need to detangle our hair with wide tooth comb. Do you know that if you have that wide tooth comb and your hair is not moisturized enough before detangling, it will not do the purpose, it will not serve the purpose. Your hair will still end up breaking. That's because you have the right tool, but you don't have the right measure. Some of you have rat tail comb. Instead of using the rat tail comb to section your hair into 4 or into 6 or whatever the number, you will be using rat tail comb to detangle your hair. You see, you have the right comb, but you're using it for the wrong thing. So this particular video is to tell you the right way or the right techniques to use your comb, your tools in general. So the first one is, we start with your rat tail comb. Like I stated, rat tail comb, this one that you're seeing, is basically for you to use to section your hair, and sometimes people use it to apply relaxer on the hair, but please and please ensure that you don't use it to detangle your hair on a regular basis. It will only end up pulling your hair from your scalp as well as causing breakage. Another thing again is wide tooth comb. If you want to use your wide tooth comb, ensure that you are detangling from the tip of your hair to the root of your hair, and ensure that your hair is moisturized. When I mean moisturized, I mean you spray water and you put it in leave-in conditioner, or you put shea butter, whatever the case may be. Another thing again is, before you use any heating, to ensure that you use heat protectant on your hair. They're selling it in your stores. Another one again is your afro comb. There's a stage that your hair will reach that you will need to use an afro comb, right? That is basically when your hair is in the afro state. Once it has gone past the afro level, you need to switch to the wide tooth comb. There was a time when my hair was already past the afro level and I was using the afro comb, and I had no choice but to stop it because I was not getting the results I desired or that was required of me, and my hair was now a lot to manage, so I just had to ditch it. So you also need to know the time and times to ditch some certain hair comb or whatever at certain stages of your hair growth. Do you understand? So when you are on your afro comb is good, but a stage will come when you just have to switch to your wide tooth comb while detangling. So I just hope this helps, and just take notes, use your tools right, and you're good to go. Peace.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele then call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.